guys, it's Dominique and thanks for coming back to my channel. I truly appreciate it. Today's video for the sip. Again, if you are new here, hi. Go ahead and subscribe. Click the notification bell and all that good stuff so you know when I drop a video, because I'm trying to be more consistent. Just saying. So October is like that Oktoberfest, pumpkin spice, pumpkin beer, apple pie flavored, cinnamon spice, caramel, whatever type of theme going on. So for October, I'm going to try to stick with beers. Even though I'm not a big beer drinker, I'm more of a wine person. But I'm trying to venture out just a little bit, you know. And October is going to be the Oktoberfest pumpkin spice type of, you know, mood. So today we have the O'Fallon salted caramel pumpkin beer. So I would consider this like a local beer because O'Fallon is literally down the highway. Anything that reps Missouri and is alcohol, I am willing to try it. So again, this is the O'Fallon salted caramel pumpkin beer. Alcohol 5.4% by volume. Malt beverage with natural flavor and artificial color. Oh, they're in Maryland Heights. Okay. Not bad. Not bad. This is 1 pint, 16 ounces. And I've had this in the freezer for like an hour, and then I put it in the fridge because I forgot it was in the freezer while I did this tutorial. So if you're into makeup and alcohol, you should go ahead and subscribe because that's what I'm into. So let's go ahead and try this. This not much to say about this. I got it from Total Wines and More. This was about, I want to say, $2 or $3. I've noticed the singles, like the individual beers, they aren't that expensive, which I'm glad about because I seen one beer that was, you know, by itself, and it was almost like $7. So I was kind of confused on like what was going on there. But luckily, the October beers had just came out when I went, and they aren't that expensive. Let's give this a taste. Smells like beer. Okay. I hope this caramel flavoring ordeal tastes pretty good. I'm gonna be upset. Definitely smells caramel-like. Very brown. I can't really show y'all. That's good. That's good. That is good. Oh my God. I'm very excited. I'm excited because I didn't think it was going to be good. I'm going to be completely honest with you. Caramel flavored drinks tend to be a miss for me. And then for it to be a caramel flavored beer, I didn't have high hopes for it. I'm doing laundry. This is good. It's like, it definitely tastes like beer. I mean, it is a beer, but it has that beer taste to it. If you don't really like beer, I still say try this because the salted caramel flavor, it literally tastes like salted caramel, and it's alcohol. So I like this. That is so good. I'm thoroughly excited. I really am. That is so good. And the aftertaste, like the last beer that I tried for last week, it had a weird taste overall, but it had a weird aftertaste. This one is just caramel. Like, it just tastes like straight caramel. Not only because when I get excited about a beverage, I want to learn more about the company and see what other flavors they have. They have a chocolate salted caramel pumpkin beer. That one I must find. I have to try that one. I know that one's gonna be good. I know that was gonna be good. Oh my god. That's good. I'm so happy this is good. For one, I don't like wasting my money, even though I am trying things out, and sometimes I'm going to come across stuff that is not good and I'm not going to drink it. But when I get something that's good, oh my god. I think I drank half of this already. Let me slow down. Yes, we got a winner. We have a winner. This is so good. We love beer. I like this one. I really do. Oh, freaking good. Tastes like caramel. Just like a piece of caramel candy. You know, it kind of reminds me of the Werther's Originals candy. Not the cream filling. I don't like cream filling. I just can't get into stuff with cream filling for real. The original ones, like the ones, the more you like suck on it, it dissolves. It kind of has that kind of flavor. It reminds me of that candy. So if you like those candies, you would like this. Not a bad aftertaste at all. Tastes like caramel. The price was very, very decent. I'm gonna say less than $4. Found this at Total Wines and More. You could probably find this at your local liquor store or a store like Total Wines and More. If you don't have that in your state or city, excuse me. Total Wines and More is basically a store that has a plethora, wall-to-wall stock of various wines. And they also have a hard liquor section, and then they have like their beer section, their like cocktail section. So if you have a place like that, this will probably be here if this company ships out to your area. Like I said, I didn't have high hopes for this beer, but this is pretty good. I'm gonna show my lipstick, but this is pretty good. I will get this again. Last week's beer, no thank you. But this one, I definitely get it again. It's super good. Super, super, super good. I like caramel. If you like caramel, you will like this. If you like pumpkin, you will like this. So caramel and pumpkin, it's a go. It's definitely a go. So yeah, I gotta look out for that chocolate salted caramel pumpkin beer by O'Fallon. This is good. This is super good. 5 shot glasses.